1. Boosts testosterone and fertility. Moringa contains quercetin and polyphenols, which have been linked to increased testosterone production. Studies suggest moringa may help improve sperm count, motility, and quality, making it beneficial for men facing fertility challenges. Its antioxidant properties help protect sperm from oxidative damage, which can improve reproductive health. 2. Enhances muscle growth and recovery. Moringa is rich in plant-based protein and contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it great for muscle growth. The presence of iron and magnesium supports oxygen transport and muscle function, reducing fatigue after workouts. Anti-inflammatory compounds help with muscle recovery and reducing soreness after exercise. 3. Improves heart health. Moringa has been shown to help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, while maintaining or increasing HDL, good cholesterol. It contains potassium and nitrates, which help regulate blood pressure and improve blood circulation. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Increases energy and stamina. Moringa is packed with iron, which helps combat fatigue and anemia, making it a great natural energy booster. The B vitamins, B1, B2, B3, and B6 in Moringa aid in converting food into energy, improving endurance. It also contains adaptogens, which help the body manage stress and fatigue, improving stamina over time.